Patrymau Iaith diwrnod 4. Ynys Môn 1. Sylfaen. Day 4 language patterns. Your day on Ynys Môn uses units 8 to 9 of the Sylfaen course. Here's a quick review of the main grammar points and patterns from these units. Rhif 1. Arddodiaid sy'n achosi treiglad meddal. Prepositions that cause a soft mutation. Prepositions are the little words that show the relationship between things. For example, dwi'n mynd I Fangor. Or I, am, ar, at. These were all introduced in mynediad. Now there are more we need to learn. Am, ar, at. Dan, dros, drwy. I, o, heb. Gan, wrth, hyd. All of these prepositions cause a soft mutation in the word which follows. Also, these prepositions conjugate, rhedeg, with pronouns. Here are the ones that you've come across so far. I mi, I ti, iddo fo, iddi hi, I ni, I chi, iddyn nhw. Ar, arna I, arna ti, arno fo, arni hi, arno ni, arnoch chi, arnyn nhw. At, ata I, ata ti, ato fo, ati hi, ato ni, ato chi, atyn nhw. Am, amdana I, amdana ti, amdano fo, amdani hi, amdano ni, amdano chi, amdanyn nhw. Wrth, wrtha I, wrtho I, wrtho ti, wrtho fo, wrthi hi, wrtho ni, wrthoch chi, wrthyn nhw. O, ohona I, ohono ti, ohono fo, ohoni hi, ohono ni, ohonoch chi, ohonyn nhw. A few other things to remember. If there is no pronoun, I, ti, fo, hi, then you don't conjugate the preposition, the above patterns. Anfonwch e-bost at Mr Jones. Dwi'n siopa am ddillad newydd. You never use yn before a preposition. Dwi mewn cyfarfod. Mae o efo ffrindiau. Roedd y ci yn yr ardd. Prepositions don't translate directly between English and Welsh. Am. This mostly means for or about, though other things too. Ar. This often means on, but can mean a host of other things and is used in many idioms. At. This often means to or up to, and often suggests looking forwards to something. I. This commonly means to or for, and often means into. Or. This mostly means of or from. Wrth. This often means by or alongside in a spatial sense. Rhif 2. Berfau a arddodiaid. Verbs and prepositions. Different verbs are followed by specific prepositions. Sometimes these change depending on meaning. For example, mynd at plus person. Dwi'n mynd at a meddyg. Mynd I plus a place. Dwi'n mynd I Wrecsam. Here are a few other useful examples. Ysgrifennu at plus a person. Ysgrifennu I plus a place or purpose. Siarad efo, speaking with. Siarad â, speaking to. Edrych ar, looking at. Edrych am, looking for. Anfon llythyr neu e-bost at. Send a letter or email to. Dweud wrth, to say to plus a person. Gwrando ar, to listen to plus a person or object, for example the radio.